Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price. We are absolutely going parabolic, and the question now is, are we actually in the next bull run? I have a new trade setup prepared for you guys in today's video. I will show you exactly when I am going to open this trade. As always, I am letting you guys know up front of my next future trades and game plans, and with that I will also tell you what I am expecting in the next couple of days, hours and weeks from the Bitcoin price. But now let's not talk too much. As always, smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell and leave a comment down below so you don't miss out on any future updates. And now we are going to jump right into the charts. The weekly time frame is very close to our most important horizontal support and resistance box that is keeping the price definitely away from the bull market currently, right? We got rejected a couple of times. We had beautiful short hedge positions each and every single time here. We used them to generate nice profits, taking them at the $25,000 level. And now the question is it time to open another short hedge trade? And this time it is a little bit different because Bitcoin is really going parabolic on the smaller time frames. We can see that by looking here at our uptrend channel on the 1 hourly time frame that Bitcoin formed. We just broke that out to the upside. Yes, it is an uptrend channel. It is not necessarily expected that it breaks to the downside. It is pretty much more or less a neutral pattern, and we broke it to the upside now. So potentially we are seeing a retest today of our rising channel. And this rising channel retest, if we close a 1 hourly candle above our old high point over here before we see the retest, we need to expect the price to at least reach the $30,200 level over the weekend, and we potentially should even expect that the price will not only reach our resistance box, but will most likely even break into our resistance box, and we will revisit our defined trend line here on the weekly time frame at the $31,200 level. This is the maximum price level that I expect Bitcoin to go during this weekend. Now guys, I want to talk about the scenario where I am opening a new trade, because this move to the upside right now is costing the bulls a lot of liquidity, and this liquidity can be missing to hold support to establish bullish market structure in cases where Bitcoin pumps too quickly. And we are seeing a relative aggressive dump right now. There is a lot of capital flowing into the markets, and we have significant resistance above us already anyways. So the bulls need to be a little bit careful here so that this move doesn't turn around and bite the bulls' ass, more or less. I mean, I really appreciate if we manage to break through this resistance box, then our long swing positions can be a focus for us again. We can scale them up. We can focus on spotting more swing long opportunities in the markets. We can even look out for scalp long opportunities in the market instead of short scalp opportunities. And especially our swing long positions and our hodl portfolio will highly appreciate if we are breaking this resistance to the upside. But this has not happened so far. So for now, we still need to focus, at least in my opinion, on potentially securing our portfolio with another short hedge trade. And when am I planning to do that? Guys, I can already tell you, as said, the bulls are using a lot of liquidity. Either they need to follow through now till the end of the week, and then we are not opening a short head trade anyways, or the bulls are going to lose this fight here relatively soon. They used up all the capital for pumping the price, and then there will be capital missing to hold support. To hold support, I'm definitely talking about the uptrend channel on the 1 hourly time frame. So if we see today that we are getting sold off, that we are again closing a daily candle not only below our ascending broadening wedge, but we also close a daily candle with that below our Fibonacci retracement level here at the 0.6.8. If we're using the wicks, I mean, it is at a little bit of a different location. We have this more or less 0.618 zone. If a daily candle closes below, not any daily candle, our current daily candle gets sold off that rapidly that we are still closing this today's daily candle below the 0.618, guys, I will open a new small short hedge position, because then this was a beautiful dead cat bounce, and the bulls used so much power for this fake out, not only out of this rising broadening wedge, but also for the breakout out of our 1 hourly time frame rising channel, that the bulls pretty much wasted all their energy. We are closing a daily candle below the $29,100 level, more or less even below the $29,050 level, I think is where the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is. So we only saw a beautiful fake out here. The bulls used all their energy just for a fake out, and then we definitely need to expect that we see a retest here. If we break that lower, this is our first scale up opportunity. If If we then break out of our rising broadening wedge on the daily, this is another scale-up opportunity. If we then break down out of the $25,000 level, this is another scale-up opportunity. So this short trade will be relatively small in the beginning because we are opening it in a risky more or less in a risky market period where we see a lot of volatility, where we just saw this massive pump and dump, where there's actually right now FOMO coming back into the market. So we are opening at a risky position. So we don't want to risk a lot of margin with that. I will probably only risk the margin, the $6,000 that we made profit of our last short hedge position. But nevertheless, I will actually open a short hedge position because of the high probability of the bulls not having any liquidity to hold support, and that would mean that we would have a lot of scale-up opportunities that even a small opened short hedge trade could turn into something big and interesting. Now guys, I also want to talk about the Phemex Soul Pass quickly, because as you know, in my Crypto.io community, we are giving away thousands of dollars, above $20,000 always to the top trader. My Crypto.io community is completely for free. You can find the link at the very top of the video description, guys. You can completely freely join. You have a huge amount of benefits, reduced fees, free leaderboard prizes. As said, over $20,000 are going to the top traders, but on top of that, we are giving away to 30 people couple $100 each and every single month. And the people asked me, what is XPT? And I wanted to give you another nice thing. Besides that 25 people are receiving $200 in Phemex's future token XPT, that if it performs well, this can easily mean that 25 random people are receiving $1,000 here each month. No guys, we also have the Phemex Soul Pass on Phemex, and I only found out about this very recently. It is completely for free. If you have over $10,000 trading volume monthly, you can already mint this Phemex Soul Pass. It's completely for free, and as soon as you have it, I only have it now very recently as well, you are actually earning XPT token for every trade you do. So the trading fees are actually being converted at a very high rate, not to nothing, so you're not getting anything for your trading fees. No, you are receiving free XPT token, and this token is later either because you can just sell it, right? You can sell it and you are receiving just a little bit of money of your fees back. Sadly, I found out about this way too late. Otherwise, I would have now a lot of XPT token, but I didn't. So make use of it till it's still available. You are just receiving your fees back, which is very nice, because otherwise you have no possibility of getting them back, and now you can get them back for free. And then you can use the token to either sell it, right? Or you can stake it, and then you can make decisions in the DAO. You get reduced trading fees, and on top of that, you can actually earn a dividend, because daily staking yield from exchange buyback trade to earn reward boost. So they will actually use portions of the revenue of Phemex to buy back the token and distribute it back to you. So you are receiving dividends for free, and you can also now mint the token for free. So it's just a nice free add-on if you are actively trading on Phemex, besides the massive leaderboard prices of above $15,000 we have here for all the people that are trading on Phemex actively and are in the Crypto.io community, or all the people that here, for example, are receiving these lucky draws each and every single month worth hundreds of dollars and potentially even thousands of dollars if the XPT token does well in the next bull run. But now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You know exactly what I'm keeping an eye on right now, what I am going to do depending on what the price does. And besides this guys, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and somebody, the Nick from the Crypto.io community, I'm not quite sure where the message was, everyone talking, I cannot find the message, but he asked me to actually make a quick shout out to everyone in the Crypto.io community. So Nick, here's your shout out for yourself, and also a shout out to everyone in the Crypto.io community. Hey guys, this is a shout out to you. Okay, this was very nice. I hope you enjoyed, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.